So I haven't made a video in a while, and I cut my hair really short, so you also haven't seen that either. Kyle is driving. We're taking my mom. Say hi.
Hey.
Her birthday was 4 days ago on October 20th, and we're taking her to a surprise place that you guys will see. I'm gonna try to film a little bit while we're there, but I'm not sure yet. Hopefully we'll see. So we're on the way there, and see you later. Bye. Okay, you can look up. Fernbank Museum.
Oh my gosh, Fernbank!
Look at how beautiful, guys.
Oh my gosh.
It's so
Been
cute.
here since
Yeah, we're going to
like,
Fernbank.
third grade.
Yeah, literally. Okay, see, so this place has been open for so long. I won't say how old my mom turns, but I went here whenever I was younger, and I'm 25. So, and we're going here today, guys.
Fernbank.
I'm so excited. That's why I said I'm gonna try to film some if I can, but if I see a sign that's like no filming, if there's no one in there, I might film a little. If there's people in there, I won't. And I used to stare at, probably down there, I think the buses used to park down there. And we used to stare at these houses and be like, there's a literal ghost in there, I see it. Even if there's not. I was just always that creepy kid. It was probably that one. We were always like, there's a ghost in the window. Okay, well yeah, I'm so glad you're excited. That's really nice. It's a ghost. It's scary.
Yeah, look at that Pokeball.
That's giant. Oh my god. Jeez.
That means trees were a lot bigger.
Fernbank Hotel. Yeah, they were. That's so cute. Yeah. Monster. I need a shovel. And that's will be compost. Grass isn't green on the other side. Another hotel. Spider web. That's a haunted looking house. So cute. Braves, Woodlands Academy, Badgers. That's pretty. The science room. Yeah. It's what the opera is on, and I really want to just bust out in song right now. Wouldn't that be funny in this big museum? For everyone to hear me. Can you hear it? Okay. That voice which calls to me and speaks my name into her dream. Opera is there inside my mind.
Can't look down over there.
Pam. So pretty. I have the hiccups.